We're from England. We're both from Birmingham.
I am from Moncton, New Brunswick.
So we have someone from Germany, and where are you from, Shane?
I'm from Ireland.
Technically, I've been away from home for almost a year and a half now,
Okay.
with a few visits back home. And before that, I've traveled for long periods of time as well.
It's my first time.
So we spent like 2 years in Asia. So we went all over the shop there, didn't we?
Yeah, we lived in Japan and Korea and Laos, Vietnam, all over the place.
And Vietnam last year, but I travelled from, I was in Barcelona, Paris, Vietnam. To hike in the Rockies and to stay in the Rockies.
Now we just always really wanted to come to Canada, see the beautiful mountains, and yeah, make some money while we're at it.
Well, coming from the east side of Canada and having traveled as much as I have, a lot of people refer to Canada as being a really great place to travel, and I've never really made it past Ontario until now. So for me, it was kind of on my bucket list to travel and see the West Coast.
$4 a night rooms.
It is $4 a night.
Well, no, the opportunity to come and live in the Rockies.
It's a yoga cat
Yes.
calendar. Damn. There goes my other business idea. It's gone.
Awesome group of people who are kind, friendly, and all want the same thing, being here in the mountains.
Controlled chaos.
I would say relaxed.
Okay.
Because when you're used to traveling, there are different sort of like groups of travel people, I would say. And you know, there are like the partiers, and then there are the people who just like try to like fit in as many things as you possibly could in like 1 week or something, and then you just feel really exhausted and you can't really enjoy your time. I think that people here have a really good sort of gauge on like a work-life balance.
It's like your hostel life.
It's hostel life.
Combined with the job.
Yep.
A bunch of really friendly, like-minded people who are always willing to get stuck in.
Is it beer?
And Sprite.
I don't find it that challenging because I really like to challenge myself and spend time away from my phone and away from my laptop. So sometimes when the internet is kind of bugging and it's kind of crappy, then I just take that opportunity to do something else.
It's nice to be off the grid.
Yeah, I think it's a good thing, you know. Like if you want internet, you can go into town. It's 40 minutes away. They help you out with the staff van, and you can get in there once a week. Maybe 2 times a week if you're lucky. And yeah, like there's good internet there, but here, like you don't need it really.
Yeah,
There's
it's enough to like contact your family and stuff, so I think that's what we need really. And then if ever we want to download films or anything like that, we just get in town and then
Bring it back. Okay.
Yeah.
So there you go.
Embrace it, because it only lasts for such a short period of time. You don't often get an opportunity to live in the Rockies.
Right.
So embrace it all. Come here with the native mindset. Be positive for where you are.
Yep. Okay. Cool.
I would just recommend them buy your food before you come to Sunwapta. That is
So if you have a
priority
car,
number one. So
Stack up.
get your food
Jasper
before you
is
come up.
very
Don't overpack.
yeah, because it's not
because
enough space.
there's not enough space, and
That's all your clothes.
yeah, at the end of the day, you don't really, as long as you've got enough clothes for work and outside of work, and things that are important to you, small things like we said, to be comfortable, and then yeah, you can.
I would say bring a lot of like, if you can, like dry groceries, so like all your tins and rice and pastas and all that, because town can be quite expensive.
Yeah, that's
Town can be
Buy
expensive,
food.
right?
Don't bring too much stuff.
There we go. Okay.
Remember clothing. Like really, how much of like I have like 5 shirts.
Right.
Don't need more than that.